This is a potential short trade setup for VALE, a company of the industrial metals and mineral sector, and they had underscored a deal with Tesla over a nickel supply deal, and this could be potentially a classic buy the rumor, sell the news story headline. And this is a primary trend line off the November lows of last year, 2021, with the divergent high that we had put in, plenty of reaction to validate it, and we have continued to establish on all three indicators negative and bearish divergences with crossovers in the MACD and oscillator as well, put in divergent high. And what's really significant about this chart that pops out to my eye is the beautiful upside gap 2 crow pattern, and it's really a bearish continuation pattern with usually a higher probability of panning out. And again, anything can happen, and we gotta wait patiently, but in my opinion, a solid break below that 1996 price support would not only take out this primary uptrend, but I believe would go down to test that 1905 level for a 4.3% drop, in my opinion, off a solid hourly, 2-hour and or daily close below that 1996 support, which will take out that primary trend line down to a 1905 for a 4.3% drop, which will also coincide with that 50-day moving average on the touch, and the bottom of the gap will be filled. It'll be a beautiful backfill if we get it. Again, we got to be patient for that, and if we do break below and we do hit that 1905 target, I'll start to issue more targets. A lot of these price support levels here are based off the weekly, and I'll really basically off the 2008 2009 levels. That goes way back, but here we are off the monthly. I'll zoom out ever more here. Off the monthly, we got this primary downtrend line with plenty of reaction to validate it, and there we are right at it, and huge support off the 2007 highs before the great financial crisis meltdown. So here we are. I mean, as good as it gets, you know. If we get back up to that downtrend line, it would definitely provide objective entry short, but it looks potentially like we could break down even sooner, and maybe we do go and test that primary downtrend line, and I believe it'll only just make these divergences even larger. And again, the larger these divergences construct, usually the bigger the drops that you could get.